MitchEllaCo, your #1 travel channel, and today we find ourselves in Amsterdam, or the Venice of the North, where we will be touring you through the entire city and seeing the must-sees and the must-eats of the city. We're starting our day in Dam Square, and we'll be touring you through, so make sure you stay tuned, like and subscribe, and let's get into it.
Welcome back to the Mitch of MitchEllaCo. I know you guys are having a great day because you are on our channel. So I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this video. I know you will. If you're looking to come to Amsterdam, this is gonna be the best video to help you find out what are the best things to do, the best eats, and we're gonna show you everything, including starting right off in the heart of it, a giant palace with more gold statues on it. So this is a great place to park your car, well not park your car, but to be dropped off by an Uber and start your adventure in Amsterdam.
Wow, it is so bright. I swear 15 minutes ago it was pouring rain and we wandered into the H&M. Built in, it's like 8 stories tall, all weird on the inside, super authentic as you go shopping. And then there's McDonald's and Burger King behind me in the alleyway. This is where the shopping is, the eating, and also, of course, all the castles that are always under construction. I feel like from Belgium and Paris and what's the other one, we're in Switzerland, all the main palaces are under construction for forever. It is time for a shopping spree. I can't believe the collection of different stores in here. We have Urban Outfitters, we have Guess, we have, of course, McDonald's has happened like 3 times in this alleyway, but this is where you go to get your clothes when the weather turns on you, or if you underpacked like we did. Oh my gosh, this Lego store might be better than the one in Disney Paris. Do you see the size of this windmill? I wish it wasn't so reflective, but holy smokes. Now, MitchEllaCo just went to Switzerland and all we could hear was bells in the fields of cows. And so I was thinking, you know, cheese, Swiss cheese, that makes sense, but Amsterdam has got some cheese rounds. We got hunks of these, and then look at this little, I love this with the little cheese cutter. Food is some of the best souvenirs you can get here.
If you guys watch Ryan Trahan, he eats like Joyride. I got like the European Joyride, but it's not as healthy for you, so.
I'm more of a chocolate girl, which we were just in Belgium. Best chocolate of our life.
Okay, I got a banana.
But Mitch is...
Oh my gosh, they had huge bananas. Size doesn't matter. Here's my banana. Look how big that banana is. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. He loves gummy everything, and we just wandered into a gummy store. We're not making it that quickly to the...
Dude, it's so good.
That was an authentic smile. We're not making it that quickly to the flower market. We're getting caught up in the shopping center.
It was 15 euros. Whoops.
More like 20 US. Okay, if you guys know MitchEllaCo, you know we love Royal Caribbean. We love cruises, and we just found the ultimate ducky store of our lives. Which one's Mitch? What is, oh, bodybuilder. This is crazy. I feel like we need to buy 500 of them and hide them all over the cruises for the next eternity.
Here's Ella.
Oh my gosh. Ooh la la. I'm lifting weights with my blonde hair. Yeah, same. Just in case the store couldn't get any better, there is an entire tub you can take pictures with rubber duckies. Get out of here. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, we have the attention span of a goldfish today because the shopping is so good in Amsterdam. Who would have thought? I mean, what even is that? I gotta come inside, I gotta take a look, I gotta take a photo. When you're in Europe and find cars you've never seen before, or is that a worldwide thing?
Ella's really quiet because she's nervous, but I'm here and I'm loud. This is cool. I think there are a lot of electric cars though. Okay, look over there. Look over here. I feel like you can get all your vices. If you like a lot of coffee, they have that here. If you like a lot of sugar, like me, oh my gosh, I'm buzzing right now. You can get it here. You got your pot, of course, all kinds of different beers. I don't think there's 2,000 beers on tap like the other place, but I know that there's a bunch of famous taverns around here. Amsterdam's a place where you can get a lot of what you like. Now, are there a lot of sports cars here? Because that's what I like. I don't know. But I'm telling you, this is a really entertaining downtown. I'm more entertained than I thought I would be. and there is a lot of like fun candy American stores, and the shopping's really good where we are. We're headed over to that flower joint. Let's go.
Can you say flower market? This claim to fame is the world's only floating flower market in Amsterdam. We finally made it, guys. We made it through window shopping, but just the scene, the ceiling, all the bulbs, all the seeds, everything you can buy here. There is one after another, but I think this one's the best. So, Amsterdam is known for their tulips, and you can actually get wooden ones and take them home with you, but you can see from the background, it's very dominant. One time we had a 9-hour layover in Amsterdam, and one of the things that we saw is that in the airport you could take bundles of tulips home with you.
There is a lot of different options to choose from. We haven't had any food yet, but this is a crazy shopping experience. McDonald's, Burger King, Burger Bar, Phoebo, Buntastic Burgers, all on this tiny little strip. So I can see why this is a cool tourist town. There's a lot to adventure. I'm enjoying Amsterdam a lot more than I thought I would. The weather's been so crazy, raining, sunshine, hot, cold. I'm not sure if that's just normal for their summers, but there's so much shopping. Bring a wallet. Some of the prices are pretty good too. Reasonable, everything's in euros, but it seems to be pretty reasonable.
I said it earlier in this video, this is supposed to be the Italy, the canals, the Venice of the north, and that is because all of the waterways and the boats, the number one thing you can do here is rent a boat or have someone take you around, drink and entertain yourself just like they are, making your way through the canal. So we took a little detour and we're on our way to the Skinny Bridge because I thought it was cool. We have made it to the Skinny Bridge, woo! And only skinny things are able to get across. One of the stories that I heard is that couples come on the bridge and they kiss and then they love each other for forever. But also, another one I heard is two sisters, which either their surname was Skinny or they were skinny and lengthy, built this bridge because they lived on either side of the river and they wanted to make it easier for them to get tea with each other. So it's just adorable, something fun to do. All the boats are going by. You get to real estate shop with boat houses and boat tours and enjoy the city. Is it Rick's with a J in the middle of it? Museum? I don't know how to say it, but it's behind me. It's enormous, and the thing to know about this museum, it's a famous art museum, is that it houses the Rembrandt's The Night Watch, which is supposed to be the largest and most famous painting, one of them, in all of Europe. But what we're gonna do is you can actually go underneath it through the tunnel. You can either ride a bike or walk, so we're gonna check it out underneath it. Apparently it's 25 euros to get into the museum, but there's also tour guides that you can combine with a canal cruise for 36, which is something you might wanna do. But as you can see, there is a tunnel underneath here. People are biking and walking in between. This is crazy. Just the architecture of the city and all the buildings smushed together. I am having the best time looking at all the architecture.
How are you? What? It's raining. Coca-Cola. I'm here for it. Welcome to the MoCo Museum here in Amsterdam. I'm telling you guys, this is the land of vices, of guilty pleasures. You can get a contact high. Oh my gosh, YouTube, you gotta be careful with this. Is there any drugs in your video? No, but holy crap, if you come to Amsterdam, there's gonna be some. It is smoking, spilling. That being said, there's also the Rembrandt, which I learned about in college, right over there. A lot of artsy fartsy, so I think people are getting a little doo-doo-doo, and then they're going in and look at the artsy fartsy. Totally get it, it's your life. And then we got the MoCo Museum behind here, cute little building. This one, I believe, Ella is saying is free art garden. Cool, F-R-E-E, free is always a good price. And we're gonna be heading over to the Van Gogh. What's in there, I don't know. We missed the Mona Lisa in France, but that's okay, we'll come back to it in the future. This one we're gonna go swing by and look at the Van Gogh building.
We found the Van Gogh Museum. Gosh guys, this is supposedly the largest collection of Van Gogh in the world. We got 200 paintings, over 500 drawings. If you're a fan, you should come here. If you're a fan of art, like there's just the smorgasbord collection of different art museums nearby, and it's something to check out while you're in Amsterdam. I had no idea that it was such an art-centric city, but definitely take a walk around, buy some entrances instead. Like us, we're just walking through for you guys, but we're making our way to Anne Frank's house. We were just in Belgium and they had the best fries, but I'm here to try Amsterdam's. We'll see. We've been walking all day. Let's see how many miles. Ooh, almost 3 for you guys. French fries?
Almost 3. Not very much. What do you think?
Not very warm at all.
Aw, but do they taste good?
Yeah, and the ketchup's really sweet too.
Very sweet here.
We have made it to another a very famous attraction in Amsterdam, which is the Anne Frank house. You may be questioning yourself, Germany, Netherlands, doesn't make sense, but actually the Netherlands was occupied by Germany, and this is where Anne Frank fled and hid in this building from the 17th century. You can buy tickets for 16 euros, I want to say, and take a look inside. I hear that you have to make reservations or book the tickets 1 month in advance because it's such a popular attraction to do. This is a pretty far walk from the main city center. We just walked 30 minutes from where all the museums were and art district, but if you are a history buff and you are interested in World War II, this could be the #1 attraction for you in the Netherlands, in Amsterdam. Definitely something to check out.
Okay, so we came to you guys from Dublin, Ireland, where it was a Guinness factory. I actually brought some of those Guinnesses home for all the men in my life. My brother-in-law and my dad and stuff. Anyways, that being said, we come from to you guys from the Heineken. It's founded here in Amsterdam. This is a massive bar, cool, awesome building. Look at the building. It's crazy. It was so crazy that when we came around the corner, Ella was like, look at that building. What is that? Oh, it's a Heineken building. Cool. Also, we have the Bulldog, which I've heard from a friend that it's a famous place where they do one of your favorite vices in Amsterdam is the first place that you can do that. I don't know if I can say this on YouTube. I don't know what the lingo is. I'll just play it safe. We love the monetization, right, guys? Yeah, I guess Ella did the Bob Marley thing, I guess. But that being said, this is a cool spot here. This city is extremely walkable, bikeable, busable. You do not need a car here. That's why I was saying earlier, like there's no cool cars. You don't really need a car here at all. So that being said, this is just about, I don't know, 1 kilometer away from the Van Gogh.
So we found another Bulldog cafe, and one of the things that I wanted to say was that if it says coffee shop, it's actually for, but if it says cafe, then it's for coffee. So that's the difference. If you're Google mapping somewhere to get coffee, it's not going to be from a coffee shop. We have made it to the red light district. Unfortunately, when you Google it on the map, it doesn't come up, but there is the history of prostitution museum here and the history of marijuana in this nook. So if you're looking for
Don't tell my mom I'm here.
Mitch doesn't. Cindy, stop watching. But we made it to this just on the outside, just because this is the thing that you should do if you're in town. Take a walk by, just because it's so famous. This is when people think of Amsterdam and this. So the red light district, again, it's behind me. I don't think we can take our cameras in, but it's something that if you wanted to experience, it should be on the top 10 things to do in Amsterdam. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. We walked 2 feet in and turned right back around. 1, because it was so uncomfortable. Not for us, would not recommend. But also 2, because another tour guide stopped us immediately. Even though our camera was off, they said they will snatch the camera out of your hands and throw it into the water unless you pay them, or they'll keep the camera because they think you're making money off of them performing their industry. So we immediately turned right back around. Again, not for us, but Amsterdam's known for it, so we put it on the list. The other thing I wanted to mention is that bikes are everywhere. If you come here, you can rent a bike, but they take it seriously. There are more bikes than people here, and it is the most bikeable city ever. You will equally almost get run over on every crossing of the street, so definitely look both ways.
How lucky is it for you guys? You get it in this video with the Mitch of MitchEllaCo. Rare appearance. Sometimes I'm on here, sometimes I'm not. But I'm gonna end up this video for all you guys. The Nigel Thornberry in me was like, let's skip this one. I don't know. For me, Amsterdam's crazy. There are some beautiful areas in it. I think that the architecture that's old is very pretty. I think that the canals through the whole thing, through the whole city is pretty. Like Ella said, it is the Venice of the Netherlands up north. This definitely is a downtown vibe. There's food everywhere. You can get food, a coffee, food of like every single corner. You should probably do a bike. We do like to walk. We probably clocked in almost 5 miles today, maybe a little bit more. If you're in good shape and you like to walk, it's a great walkable tour. Use this best how-to, best day in Amsterdam as your guide. I think we hit all the major things to see. I think we did a good job. What was my favorite, like what you must have to see? Probably just the buildings. Just walking through the buildings is probably the must. That's what I would say. Walking around, and then there was a lot of good shopping too. So I would encourage getting a hotel, doing some good shopping, bringing back your stuff to the hotel, and then keep on walking further. But other than that, I hope that you guys found this helpful. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below what you guys thought. Comment down below if you would go down the red light district alleyway. Oh my gosh. That being said, we're coming back for you guys. We're going to be in London. We're going to be doing an amazing hotel review here. We're going to be doing a hotel review in Amsterdam up next too. So like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you get notified when we post. And we're going to travel the world. We've actually got about 11% of the world done, and we're going for all 100%.